What's up, guys? And today we're doing my room tour, and let's start with my stuffed animal pot. So we got my big emoji and all my stuffed animals, and where I won the emoji was from what is it? Oh yeah, Dave and Buster's. And if you want to go on Hot Wheels AL, if we get 10 subscribers by this month, we'll do Hot Wheels AL.